Quick update. I never thought this day would come. I never thought. I got two, there are three, four, maybe more sunflowers. These are dwarf sunflowers. I started them from seed. Man, I never thought that they would come. Never. Pretty awesome. These marigolds are like taking off, and now these are starting to come back. I don't know what they are, but they're starting to bloom again. But these marigolds, man, I'm loving marigolds. If I had my way, everything would be in marigolds. Let's go check out some other flowers. Vegetable garden, pretty much done. I'll show you what's going on there. These marigolds, they're doing okay. Nothing great. These guys doing good. The camellia, it's okay. Hydrangea, nothing's going to happen with that this year. This thing's doing good. It goes in stages. Gets these, I don't know if it gets these white pinkish ones turn to solid pink. I don't know. I have to keep an eye on it. But those guys are doing good. I think they're coming to an end. Not really sure. It's cool. These open up in the sun when the sun's out. Hold on. Got water. The beauties, they're doing good. Got a lot of blooms that are going to come. I just love these things. Got a lot of blooms coming. And then my other sunflower is popping. It's coming.